up? You're here for my life, and I got a big purchase. Okay, we got a big unboxing to do. Cashmere wants all my attention, but we got a big unboxing to do. I ordered some candles from Goose Creek. If you guys don't know about Goose Creek, I'll leave a link in the description box down below. But they sell 3-wick candles, they sell room sprays, hand washes, or hand soaps, etc. They had a big sale maybe about a month or so ago, and then I had to partake in it. And I wanted to wait until we moved into our new apartment in order to do this unboxing. I already used 2 candles, so I'm going to show you guys those first, which I've showed over on my T page when I was over on live. The very first candle that I burnt in my apartment is Warm and Welcome. Here is what it looks like. So Warm and Welcome, it has vanilla, cashmere, marshmallow, cream, white mocha, and warm amber notes in it, and I really love this. Smells very, very homey. This was the first one that I like. Girl, she is scratching me. So the next one that I'm burning, and this one I'm burning in my room. I love lavender and vanilla. These are my favorite scents. So the fact that they are in one candle is perfect. Stop making bread on me. And the notes that are in here: French vanilla, French lavender, white jasmine, vanilla bean, and smooth amber. Love this one. This one is very soft, and I feel like it'll put you to sleep. Like, this is very, very good for your room, in my personal, humble opinion. I pulled the vanilla one out of here. So they do come with these cards. Cute. Hello New Year, buy odors, which is cute, and then refresh your space and spirit. So I got 2 hand soaps. I got Suit and Tie, and then I also got Island Bliss. 2 hand soaps in this box. Okay, and then these come packaged really, really nice. I want to show you guys, if you can see in the inside, this is how they come packaged. So this is my favorite candle from them. This is Pink Bellini. This is similar to Peach Bellini from Bath and Body Works, if you guys are Bath and Body Works stands, and this is also cheaper. All of these candles are cheaper than Bath and Body Works. So Pink Bellini, not to be mistaken with Peach Bellini. It has pink peach, apricot, apple, sugar cane, and blush wine scents notes, and smells so good. I love this scent, and it's about to be spring, summer, so I definitely had to re-up on my candles. Okay, the next candle we have Neroli Citrus, and the scent notes are Italian bergamot, juicy mandarin, sun-kissed neroli, and blonde woods, whatever blonde woods would be. Oh, I don't know if I like this one. This one is a lot more earthy and clean, I will say. I think it's that, you know, bergamot is not always my favorite if it's not paired properly. So those are the scent notes inside of that one, and here is how it looks. Okay, the next one in this box is Jasmine and Vanilla. Mwah. Mwah. Of course, I know this one is going to smell good, and it has sheer jasmine. Well, the scent notes are sheer jasmine, warm vanilla, and cashmere woods. Oh yes. I love this one. This one is one of my favorites next to Peach Bellini. I love warm and cozy, like I showed y'all the first one that I opened. No, not warm and cozy. It's Warm and Welcome, Pink Bellini. I always get it confused with Peach Bellini. And this one right here, Jasmine and Vanilla. Okay, so that's everything out of this box. And I don't know if I'm showing you guys how they look in the inside, but here's how they look in the inside. Okay, the next box, we have have our card. So in this box, we have the room spray, champagne bubbles. This was the only room spray that they had on the website at the time of me purchasing. I would have got more. So what's the scents? What's the notes? What's the scents? What's the notes? Oh, they don't have the scents or the notes on the room sprays. Let's spray it and just smell it ourselves. Oh yes, that smells good. It's like a cherry, apple, cinnamon type of scent. I like that. That smells good. Okay. I also got 2 more hand soaps in this box. I got Dragon Fruit Splash. And then I also got Sunday Drive. So the scent notes in Sunday Drive are cactus flower, raspberry, lemon, and coconut. And the scent notes inside of Dragon Fruit Splash, Dragon Fruit, mango, peach, pineapple, apple, guava, and island splash. And that shit sounds like a good drink, okay? And then Island Bliss, it has island water scent notes, soft coconut, kiwi mandarin, and jasmine vanilla. Oh, I think this one going. Oh, okay. Okay. And that room spray really just started permeating the air. Oh my gosh. I got a better whiff of it and it smells a lot better as it settles. Okay, but Suit and Tie scent notes are icy waters, bergamot, sage, and oak moss and woods. All right, let's get to these candles. So I had to get a Valentine's Day candle, girl. We are only 5 days away from Valentine's Day, child. So I got Cherry-ish Forever. No, Cherry-ish You Forever. So I guess Cherish You Forever. I think that was so cute. So the notes in this one is called Velvet Cherry. The notes in this one is sweet, black cherry, crushed almonds, and velvet raspberry. Oh! Hold on. My bad. It beat me up. It was very, very strong. These are really, really strong. These, I might even say, are stronger than the Bath & Body Works one. That sweet black cherry. No, I like that crushed almond scent. I don't know, crushed almonds, I think it's like that warm, sweet smell. That warm, milky smell. I don't know, it kind of gives milky. I don't smell much cherry in here though, but I don't know, it's sweet. It's not bad, so don't be confused by my facial expressions, because I know sometimes I'll be having some crazy facial expressions when I'm trying to figure out like certain scents or when I'm smelling things. Oh, these kind of dusty, child. What were these, in the back of the closet? Shit. So the next one I got is Chilly Rain Showers, which I love scents like this. So it's icy waters, cool citrus, and rain drenched eucalyptus, and we know I love eucalyptus. Yes, I love this. These are like one of those clean, fresh scents. I love clean, fresh scents, especially like after I clean up in my house. So Minted Eucalyptus, one of my favorites. I love eucalyptus, any and everything. Minted Eucalyptus. The notes in this one are fresh eucalyptus, mint leaves, bright bergamot, and white woods. Smells so fresh and clean. I love it. Okay, the next one is Lost at Sea. I love sea scents. I love eucalyptus. I love fresh linens. I love fresh scents. And I love to use them year round. This one smells so good. Okay, and sometimes you gotta be careful because it can smell outside, like that outside smell. Sometimes they put too much of something inside of these, that air scent, and it can stink, okay? And it can smell like outside, and it can be disgusting. So the notes in this one are salty ocean air, coastal bergamot, seaside lavender, and fresh geranium. I don't know what that is, girl. Maybe that's, I'm just playing, but that one smells good. Okay, next we have eucalyptus mist. Y'all know I love me some eucalyptus, and the notes in this one: fresh eucalyptus, sparkling bergamot, and misty woods. So it smelled slightly different. Like, it is a different level of eucalyptus, and I like that. Like, you can really do a lot with eucalyptus. This one, it does have like that woodsy earth scent, but a lot of eucalyptus, whereas this one, eucalyptus minty, like fresh. Like, this one is a lot more fresh. This one, the eucalyptus mint is a lot more fresh, and the eucalyptus mist is a lot more woodsy and warm, I would say. Okay, so Cotton Vanilla Breeze, one of my favorites. Okay, I told y'all I love linen, fresh scents, all of that. The scent notes in here are sunlit cotton, warm breeze, cashmere, and vanilla. I always get this one every single time I order from Goose Creek. I always get this one, eucalyptus mist, pink Bellini. I have to have them. This one smells so good. Love it. Okay. Next we have Cliffside Sea Spray, and this one, I kind of got a love-hate relationship with this one. The scent notes in here are saltwater shores, fresh ocean air, and seaside citrus. Okay, this smells good. No, this one not the one I have a love-hate relationship with. It's one of these I have a love-hate relationship with it. Like, sometimes if you burn it too long, it becomes too much for me. Believe me, these carry a long way. Like, if you have a 2-story home, you would literally need a candle on each floor type of thing, but barely. You get what I'm saying? These candles literally stretch. Okay, I have Watermelon Lemonade, which I had to get this one. Spring, summer, this is what I was thinking of when I got this one. But Juicy Summer Watermelon, freshly squeezed lemonade, and pure cane sugar scent notes. Oh yes, this one smells like a strawberry lemonade. Oh my god. Watermelon lemonade, strawberry lemonade. It smells so fruity and good and citrusy. I got another cotton breeze because this is just, I gotta have it, okay? These are one of the ones that I burn after I'm cleaning up. And it just smells so soft and fresh and homey. Okay, and last but not least, this is actually also one of my favorites, is Soft Linen Breeze. Okay, so listen, I told y'all I like linen scents. Yes, I got Cotton Vanilla Breeze, and then I had to get Soft Linen Breeze. Believe it or not, they are different. I always get this one too when I go to Goose Creek. Like, this is always one of my favorites. Y'all, it smells like fresh laundry. I love this so freaking much, okay? But y'all, I'm not gonna keep y'all too long now. That was everything that I got from Goose Creek. I got a lot of content to catch up on. It's about to be Valentine's Day season, so I am about to film a Valentine's Day lookbook. I'm going to be doing some Valentine's Day maintenance on a budget. So y'all get in the comment section, let me know what you think about these candles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the post notification bell so you guys are up to date each and every time that I upload.